Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add totals and subtotals in a matrix in Power BI. This is a great way to make your data more readable and provide quick summaries at both the row and column levels, helping you and your viewers understand the data at a glance. First, open your Power BI desktop application. Once you're in, you'll see your workspace where all your reports and visuals live. For this tutorial, let's assume you already have a matrix visual on your report. If you don't see it yet, no worries. Just make sure you have one ready to work with. The matrix visual is a powerful tool for displaying data in a grid format, and adding totals and subtotals will make it even more effective. Now click on that matrix visual to select it. Once it's selected, direct your attention to the right side of the screen where you'll see the visualizations pane. This is where all the magic happens for customizing your visuals. In this pane, click the format icon, which typically looks like a paint roller. This opens up a whole range of formatting options that let you control the appearance and behavior of your matrix. Next, you'll want to locate the column subtotals option. Click on it to expand the settings. Here, toggle the button to turn it on. This action enables subtotals for your columns, which is essential for summarizing data across different column groups. After turning it on, click on Values. This allows you to customize how the subtotals appear. Go ahead and change the background color to something that stands out and makes the subtotals easy to spot. Then click the toggle button beside Apply to Labels. This ensures that your formatting applies to the label text as well, creating a consistent and professional look. Now it's time to handle the row subtotals. Click on Row Subtotals in the formatting pane and toggle the button to turn it on. Just like with the column subtotals, this enables summaries at the row level, giving you a clear view of aggregated data for each row group. Click on Values again and change the background color to make these subtotals visually distinct. Don't forget to click the toggle button beside Apply to Labels so that the formatting is applied uniformly. You've now successfully added subtotals to both columns and rows. But let's take it a step further and add grand totals. Click on Row Grand Total in the formatting options. Change the background color to something that really makes it pop, since the grand total is often the most important summary figure in your matrix. Finally, click the toggle button on Apply to Labels to ensure the formatting is consistent across all your labels. And that's it. You've now enhanced your Power BI matrix with subtotals and grand totals, making your data easier to interpret and more visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.